Hi everyone, I'm Milos, and today I'm excited to announce a launch of something I have been working on for a while, my new channel, AI for Leaders. Over the last 20 years, I had the privilege of working with diverse teams in the tech industry, and more recently, I've been diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. As part of my work as a CTO, I have spent the last 5 years studying AI extensively and gaining practical knowledge that I'm excited to share with you. I have led and successfully completed a number of AI projects, which has given me confidence to talk about how AI is transforming industries and reshaping businesses. But I have also noticed a gap in the way it's talked about. Here is the thing. Business leaders are overwhelmed by buzzwords and complexity of AI. Most content online is either focused on a hype or a technical tutorials. Leaders don't need to know intricacies of AI or coding. What leaders need is a practical advice on how AI can solve business problems and drive real results, like boosting productivity, reducing costs, or improving decision making. This is why I'm creating AI for Leaders, to simplify AI concepts and offer practical advice. After struggling with scattered content myself, I was inspired to provide a clear roadmap. Through a structured series of videos, I'll guide you step by step on applying AI to deliver real value to your organization. I'll be focusing on actionable frameworks to prioritize use cases, calculate return on investment, and scale solutions without disrupting your existing workflows. Plus, you'll receive monthly updates on the latest AI news to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. Before we wrap up, I want to invite you to be part of something special. AI for Leaders is not just a channel, it's a community. I'm looking to collaborate and partner with forward-thinking leaders, AI enthusiasts, investors, and industry professionals to grow this community and make it even more valuable. If you're looking to help shape how AI is applied in business, I would love to hear from you. You can connect with me through my social media channel or drop me a message in the comments below. This has been an AI for Leaders episode 1. In the next video, we're going to provide an overview of how AI is relevant for leaders and decision makers. Stay tuned and see you soon. Bye for now.